Okay, so I have a password protected Excel file. When I try and edit a Excel, it gives me this error saying that it's protected, but I kind of want to break into this and open it up. So what I'm gonna have to do is just close this down. I have it saved to my desktop, so I just want to do a new folder and drag this into here and double click on the folder. So now you want to go to Organize, Folder and Search Options, View, and then scroll down a little bit and you'll see Hide Extensions for Known File Types. You want this unchecked, and then hit Apply. So right now you'll see that the extension is XLSX. We're just going to change this to .zip, then hit Enter. It's going to ask you if you want to change it. Say yes. So now it's a zip file. You can open that up. I'm using JZip. You can use any kind of archive program that you want to use. So click XL folder, Worksheets, and then Sheet 1 is the one I want to open up. So I'm going to do Open Up with Notepad. And this is giving me all the code for that sheet. So I'm going to do word wrap. So what you want to look for is something that says like password protection or sheet protection. So it's right here, sheet protection password. This isn't actually the password, so you can't use this to open up the document, but what you can do is just delete it and then save the file, close it down, hit OK, close that down. Then we're just going to change this back to the XLSX, hit OK, and yes. So now if I open it up again, it's still protected, so you just have to go to the review and click unprotect sheet. So now I'm going to open up, edit in here, and that's it. You're all good to go.